Hi guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Ultimate love star Rosie reveals her most prized possessions. Rosie flaunts her ring in eyes of kachi. Rosie took to her page to flaunt her engagement ring. Recalled as she said yes to kachi on the finale. Roxy emerged winners of the Ultimate Love Season 1 reality show. After they won, Kachi went on his knees and popped up the question. Sharing this picture, she captioned it saying, "You have captured my heart. At I am Kachi, RokNation, Rosie, Roxy, Kachi." She has been flaunting her man and telling the whole world how much she loves him. It seems things took a quick turn for her after she was dumped in the love part by David Wilson, who went on to pick Presh Tucker. Rosie showed a strong mentality and held on as Kachi approached her. He showed his patience and commitment as he was able to convince her to love again. One could say her gamble has paid off, as both revealed after the show they will be getting married soon. Rosie even revealed the color of the theme of the wedding, which will be blue. She said she loves the color and Kachi is also a Chelsea fan. Okay guys, stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment as we'll be bringing you the wedding ceremony involving Rosie and Kachi. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.